Team Phyllis, get dressed with me for work with what I have in my closet. Today is Friday. It's Friday night. It's Friday. So I'm so happy it's almost weekend. At least one can rest. This is the basic layer. I have this short pants on top of it because I'm gonna wear a dress and I just want extra security, even though the legging is thick, but I just want something on it. So this dress I'm going to wear, it's like a baggy t-shirt dress type of thing. I got this from Beshka a while ago. So this is what I'm going to wear. It's very, very comfortable in the summer. In the summer, I love wearing this, especially when I'm going out with the kids and I'm going to the play garden or I'm doing something that I have to be moving up and down with the kids. I love wearing this and a sneaker. So easy, so comfortable. I love it. So I thought, you know what? Let me wear this. My workplace is very, very hot in there. The building itself is very hot, so it's not a problem wearing something like this. So yeah, this is it. So let's put on this dress. You guys can see, as you guys can see, it's baggy. It's very comfortable. It's very free. I love wearing this. And I love the color. I really love the color. The neutral color is very, very beautiful. And I'm gonna wear my boots, my favorite shoe. The weather is still very cold outside. When I say cold, it is really, really cold outside. The cold is not playing. Yeah, this is the outfit. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. It looks pretty good and put together. Let me just pull my hair all back. Put on some lip gloss. This lip gloss a little bit, not a long way. You don't need too much. One thing I love about this lip gloss, when you apply it, like the pigments last the whole time. Even when I'm eating, of course, I'm not eating like all over, but when I'm eating, it stays really, really together. And I really love this lip gloss. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Sol de Janeiro body oil because my arms are exposed. So we want to shine those arms. Let it shine, let it go. Let the skin, as I said, it so beautiful. The Sol de Janeiro body oil, and it smells so good. I've already applied the body mist. So going in with the oil, amazing. I'm also going in with the perfume. This is gonna make the scent last the whole day. Only when you combine both together. When you combine the body oil, the body mist, the body oil, and the perfume, you are good to go. So yeah. So simple as this is the finished result. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en understanding. Ik waardeer het echt. Thank you guys so much. Today's Friday. At least your girl can rest. I can rest and then we'll continue again next week with what I have in my closet. This challenge has really given me the opportunity to wear everything I have in my closet, clothes that have been lying in my closet for a very long time that I haven't really touched. This challenge has given me the opportunity to take everything out and to start wearing it, and I'm very, very happy for that. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. I can't wait to see what I'm going to come up with next week. But so far, so good. I'm really loving the outfit that I'm having, that I'm wearing, except two that I wear that I didn't like, the gray and the white um shirt underneath, that it didn't really felt good. But yeah, overall, I like everything so far that I've put together. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Team Fullest. Peace out. Bye.